I like all the old comedy films.
Yeah.
In terms of music, you know, Elvis, Beatles, Bowie, all the old music, Frank Sinatra. One thing, I went to Anfield a couple of years ago and horrible time, but I went to see the Eagles there, and it was kind of, you know, half me really hating being there, but half me loving seeing the Eagles.
Yeah.
And my 11-year-old son Oliver went with me, and I've got a video of me and him singing Hotel California together, and it makes me cry every time I watch it because I just think that's one of my favourite songs of all time. And again, it goes on to my music tattoo, so the Hotel California, me music sleeve that I'm building. But yeah, Hotel California and House the Rising Sun, them kinds of songs, just them haunting, echoey ones. Hallelujah by Jeff Buckley. Originally by Jeff Cohen, obviously, but Jeff Buckley done it better. And then Alexandra Burke ruined it and will never be forgiven for it.
Yeah.
Can't stand that version. I just hate it. I've never watched X Factor since she's done that version, because that was one of my favourite songs by Jeff Buckley.
Yeah.